how often do you have them come in?
So so one thing that I did even before that is I made it a part of the house rules. I heard this from somebody else, and just so you know, actually when you become a host, you can join the Pad Split Facebook group for hosts. So you can get
Oh,
other ideas, right? And bounce things off of each other. And so I had heard about, having the members take turns on cleaning the main areas, right?
right.
Making sure that the kitchen is clean, taking the trash out, putting the cans out to the curb for the trash guys, and bringing it back in on that day.
Mhm.
So I really like that idea. I think it might have even come from the property manager um, that we really like, that will probably have be our property manager when we stop self-managing. I think he mentioned that. And so that's what we did, is we have it set up where each room takes a turn each week to clean the main areas. And of course, everybody's still responsible for cleaning up after themselves.